Let's talk about mental health and an exciting change that's coming in the way that people ask for help. It involves the phone number 988, and some of you are already picking up on it. Bo wrote in this week saying, I just watched a story on NBC Nightly News about the new 988 mental health hotline starting in July. Is Oregon ready for an increased response that is expected? Well, thanks for that question, Bo. The short answer is mostly yes. The hotlines are hiring more call takers, and they do expect a brief surge in calls, and then they think it's going to kind of fade, and then it'll grow significantly over a couple of years. It's going to be a huge deal and a big change to the way that people get help. That's why I sat down yesterday with Dwight Holton, the local leader for Lines for Life.
At Portland-based Lines for Life, call takers help 37,000 people a year with a variety of issues involving mental health and drug abuse. The phone number, 800-273-8255, is 10 digits long. On July 16th, the new phone number will be simply 988.
Really excited. 988 is going to be a new service, a new way to reach help when you're in crisis.
Dwight Holton is CEO of Lines for Life. He offered ideas during the development of the nationwide plan and believes it's a simple phone number that will make a big difference.
We've had for many years the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. What 988 is going to do is transform that by making it super easy to get help when you're in crisis or when you see someone else in crisis. Just like we have 911 for when you've got a police or fire emergency, we'll have 988 for when there's a mental health crisis.
Did you catch that last part? When you see someone else in crisis, the 988 number will also allow you to report people who seem to be struggling, and when things work perfectly, a mental health specialist will be sent to them. The idea, similar to Portland's street response, is to take the load off police and emergency dispatchers, not just in the big cities, but in any community in America.
We believe there's a real opportunity here to take some of that need and bring it to 988, because lots of the folks who are calling 911 are really calling about a mental health challenge. And that's not an appropriate law enforcement role. That's not how they're trained to do, and it can be dangerous. Frankly,
Lines for Life is part of the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. It has a counterpart in Marion County called Northwest Human Services. The National Suicide Prevention Lifeline was authorized by Congress back in 2005. It now has 180 independently operated and funded local call centers. The national network also includes 38 text and chat programs and 3 that are specifically for Spanish speakers. On July 16th, all will share that 988 phone number. Anyone calling will be routed to the closest call center based on area code. The goal will be to give someone a person to talk to, and if needed, someone to talk with in person, and if necessary, a place they can go. It's an ambitious program that will be paid for by the federal government. It's expected to cost taxpayers $282 million in 2022. In Portland, Dwight Holton thinks the new program with its new services and 988 phone number will make a big difference.
It's all about no wrong door. It's all about being easy for people to get connected with help and hope, and easy to connect people who are trying to help somebody else with help and hope too.
That 988 number does not start until mid-July. In the meantime, if you or somebody you know needs someone to talk with, call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. They have compassionate, trained counselors ready for you anytime, day or night. The number there on your screen, 800-273-8255.